In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a membership community using Gumroad. This is an excellent way to share exclusive content with your audience and build a loyal community. So let's dive straight into the steps. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the Gumroad website. If you don't have an account already, you'll need to sign up, but for today, I'll assume you already have one. Once you're on the Gumroad homepage, the next thing you'll need to do is click on Log In. This will take you to the login page where you can access your account. Here, you'll be presented with different options to access your account. Since it often streamlines the process, I recommend using the Google option to select your account, bringing you directly into your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top of the page and click on Products. This is your starting point for adding anything new to Gumroad, including memberships. Directly from here, you'll see an option for New Product, so go ahead and click that. You should now see different product types you can create. For today, our focus is on building a community, so select Membership. Next, you'll need to get creative and think of a name for your membership. This is an important step because it's the first thing potential members will see. After you've settled on a name, move on to select the currency in which you'd like to receive payments and set an appropriate price. Ensure the fee you choose reflects the value of what you're offering. Once you are satisfied, click on Next, Customize. Here you have the opportunity to add a detailed description. Explaining what your membership offers and why it's valuable can make a significant difference. Include any special features, benefits, or topics you'll cover. Then it's time to upload images or videos that will serve as a cover and a thumbnail. These visual elements help to capture attention and give a professional feel to your product. Be sure the visuals align with your brand and the type of membership community you're creating. Afterward, add a summary to reinforce the message of what members can expect. Following this, you can create different tiers by naming them appropriately and adding detailed descriptions. Offering tiers is an excellent way to provide various levels of membership, catering to different budget needs and giving extra value to your audience. When setting the pricing, you have the flexibility to choose between monthly or yearly options. Select whichever suits your business model best. With everything now set, click on Save and Continue. Then consider how you want to present your content. You can either embed it or type it directly into Gumroad. Finally, when everything looks good, click on Publish and Continue to make your membership live. This last step is crucial because it means you're ready to start welcoming new members into your community. And there you have it, the complete guide to creating a membership community on Gumroad. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and I wish you the best of luck in building a vibrant and engaged community.